Poor guy out there cooking. How are you? Spam! Spam fries. I'm not the first person to do this. A lot of people have done it. And I thought it'd be interesting and fun. And it's spam. So why the heck not? We're going to deep fry them outside on the Camp Chef Explorer 2-burner little Camp Chef deal there. So without further ado, we're going to cut these up to kind of look like French fries, right? So I'm thinking that. I'm not going to do both cans right now. I'm just going to do the one can. Spam. I tell you what. I'm not going to dredge it in anything. I'm not going to make a batter. I'm not going to do any of that stuff. It's just spam fried. Well, that one's a little off, but it'll be okay. It'll be okay. So if we're looking to make like some French fry things. Yeah, I've seen people do these many different ways. To me, I'm thinking, let's just fry these up. Well, that's a weird looking fry. My knife skills aren't the best in the world, but you get the idea. The good thing about this is that it's spam, so it's already cooked. So we don't have to worry about any internal temperatures or anything like that. Just spam. Spam. Didn't Monty Python do something with spam? Like spam, spam, wonderful spam, something like that. Anybody remember? Comment below. Yeah, these are going to be good. We're going to do 2 cans of these because we like spam. And are we going to eat it all right now? It's very possible. It's very possible. But if not, spam and eggs. That's good stuff too. All right. Well, that's what I did. So like I said, I'm going to go get that Camp Chef Explorer fired up. We're going to deep fry it in this fancy little enamel coated cast iron pot and see what they taste like. And I got some dipping sauce too, because you got to have some dipping sauce and stuff. Okay, meet me outside. Let's go. We're here outside Poor Guy Studios with the Camp Chef Explorer. 1 burner turned on. Oil is up to 350-ish degrees. Okay, here's our spam sticks. 2 cans of them. I'm not getting fancy here. Let's just put them in there and fry them. Like I said, some people have done these with coatings on them, batters, stuff, flour, seasoning. Nah, I'm not doing that. Yeah, stand back, everybody. Stand back. Caution. It shouldn't take long. Like I said, I mean, it's spam. It's already cooked. Let's just get them to a beautiful golden brown color and fry all these up. What do you say? Poor guy outdoor cooking. Man, if this isn't a recipe extraordinaire, I don't know what is. Spam fries. We got some dipping sauce in there we're going to try out. Just some, like, cheesy goodness and some mustard. I don't know really what else you would put on these. Yeah, we'll let those go for a little bit. Now, I will definitely not make you stand here or sit there and watch me fry up all these spam fries. No, I won't do that to you. But we're going to do these and we'll see what they look like here in a minute. So, if you're new here, thank you for showing up. It's very kind of you. And feel free, to hit that thumbs up and leave a comment, good or bad. I'll take it. I'm a man. I can handle it. I'm not very sensitive. And I am a little sensitive. And then all you guys that show up week after week, video after video, we love you to death. If it wasn't for you, we would literally be nothing, because right now we're something. Right. Okay, back to the spam. Yeah, that's it right there. I think. I don't know. What do you guys think? They look good to me.
Okay.
All right.
You're the chef.
We'll pop them in there. I'm the chef. Chef Rob. No, I'm not a chef. I'm just a schmuck with an outdoor cooking channel. Let's fry some more of these. Yeah, we're gonna do 2 cans, like I said. Chances are we're not gonna eat all of them here. It's just a little lunch, little fun. This is a fun video. Ow! I'm all right. That's all it is. And they look so, I don't know, so darn appetizing when I've seen other videos of these. And yeah, it's just going to be some fun. And spam at this house will not go to waste. Will it, Aiden? No, Aiden said no. Tori's not here today. Tori's dog sitting. Sorry, Tori. Okay, let me fry up the rest of these. Bring them in the house, dress them up real nice, and give them a try. All right. You know me. Peace. Spam fries. There's our funny little setup there. You saw it in the thumbnail. Isn't that creative? I saw it done before. I'm not taking credit for it. And we got all these spam sticks. Let's just leave that pretty little thing there, and I'm going to give these a try. I got Don recording me and Aiden over there. If you guys want to try them, you can. But I guess for the video, I'll just go ahead because we're munching on some already. So it's fried spam. All right. It's a little bit of cheese. Mm, it's fun. Spam is salty, right? I didn't get the less sodium. It's pretty good with that cheese dip. Spam fries, man. I'm telling you, it's just plain fun. Mustard, of course. I love it. I love it. This was fun to do. I'm just saying, just a little twist on spam. Give it a try. Bring it to a party. I'm telling you, people will love you. All right. There we go. Swallowed. Poor guy out there cooking with spam fries. Give it a try. You won't be disappointed. Peace.